How to change your Spotify username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your Spotify username, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have the Spotify app or whatever else, you tap the gear icon here, you just come to the view profile, and then you notice that you have a different type of username. Now if you don't see here, you can also open up your browser and go to spotify.com, and then here if you look under account overview, you have this random word username. Now you have to understand that your username is designed to identify you on Spotify, and it is a random series that was given to you by Spotify when you created your account. So you basically can't change it, and you also don't need your username to log in. So instead, if you're just trying to log in, you don't need a username to log in. You can use your email address and password or log in with the method you sign up, example Facebook, Apple, or even your phone number. But as I said, because you can see here you have the username, and if I tap the edit profile option, I'll not be able to find the option to change my username, because that's simply how Spotify works. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.